Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We are just at the end of the PDAC 2020 here in Toronto. And last but not least, we have now Triumph Gold. We are at their booth. Tony Barresi, the president, will give us an insight into his company for the first time. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you for the interview.
Yeah, and great that you are taking the time, even still here at the end. Triumph Gold, maybe give us a short overview. What's the company about? Where are you working?
Sure. Triumph Gold has a flagship property, the Freegold Mountain Property. It's located in Yukon. Yukon is a tremendous district in Canada. It's been one of the top-rated districts in the world. Great government support, settled First Nations, land claims. But because it is in Canada's north, some parts of Yukon have a lack of infrastructure. That's not something that we suffer from.
Yeah.
We have a road that comes right onto and through our property. We're only 200 kilometers to the north of Whitehorse, which is a industrial hub in Yukon.
Yeah, we have even a direct flight from Frankfurt.
That's right, yeah. And so we actually, our all-in cost per drilling is about the same as drilling off of a highway in Nevada.
Oh, wow. That's fantastic.
Yeah,
Great.
no, it's really good, especially for Yukon.
Yeah.
So we have a district-scale property. It's 200 square kilometers, 34 kilometers from end to end. It's in a really prolific part of Yukon. And the property hosts 3 already present 43-101 resources that amount to about 2 million gold equivalent ounces at about between half a gram and 3/4 of a gram gold average.
Fantastic. When you say gold equivalent, what else is associated with that?
So 3/4 of the value of the metal is actual gold, and then the rest is copper and silver.
Okay, those are also the metals we need, really. That is
absolutely.
Fantastic. Great, super.
Yeah.
You told me also that Goldcorp is a 19.9% shareholder. So, of course, as you just said, probably great quality of the property you have, great quality of the asset. How did that come?
Yeah, so in 2016, we decided to take a step back from our resources and look at pure exploration potential. And we found evidence for a previously unexplored unidentified porphyry copper gold system. These are the kinds of deposits that are the main sources of copper and gold in the world. They're the largest, richest, most long-lived styles of mines in the world. And we found evidence for that on our property. And we presented the ideas for that evidence at a technical conference in Yukon in November of 2016. Goldcorp was in the room. They had just bought Kaminak for the coffee deposit for $520 million.
I remember that deal.
That's right.
That was Ira Thomas, right?
That's right. And that was just up the valley from us. And they loved the district, they loved our exploration concept, and they bought 19.9% of our company for $6.3 million. Since then, Goldcorp has been bought by Newmont, the world's largest gold mining company. So our largest shareholder is the world's largest gold miner.
Which is great to have, I would say.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. So what is the work program for 2020? What are you doing? How many meters you are drilling? What do you want to achieve?
Yeah, so over the last 3 years, we've been making some of the highest grade, longest intersections of porphyry copper gold mineralization in the world. We've had spectacular success. Last year, we drilled an 860-meter deep hole that was almost a gram gold equivalent from top to bottom. We tagged into a beautiful porphyry center. We've been displaying the core from that here at the conference. All the majors have been coming by and sort of just gasping when they see how beautiful these rocks are. It's exactly what you would expect to find when you're down in the guts of a porphyry system. Because we actually intersected this stuff with the drill, we now know what its physical characteristics are. And it's extremely magnetic. And fortunately for us, exploring for magnetic rock is very easy. So we've taken a huge amount of magnetic data, geophysical data, and we've given it to a leader in computational geophysics that's building a 3D magnetic model for us. And we're using that to target our drilling so that we're able to demonstrate increased volume of this high-grade mineralization we already know is there. We're going to be able to do it inexpensively and intelligently because of this 3D inversion we're getting. But we're looking at drilling about 10,000 meters to define multiple porphyry centers here.
Super, perfect. And of course, this costs a little bit of money. What's in the treasury?
We've got $1.25 million in the treasury right now. The drill program will probably cost about $3 million, and we're looking at raising about About $3.5 to $4 million.
Soon now.
That's
after
right.
the PDAC.
That's right.
Okay, super. I mean, with those gold prices, shouldn't be a big problem.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. Who are major shareholders? What has management?
Management is at about 6%. Our largest shareholder is Newmont Gold Corp, and we have a large institutional group of shareholders that are about 48%.
Oh, wow. So it's well controlled and well thought out, I would say.
That's right.
Okay, fantastic. Great. Well, then, Tony, thank you very much. It was a great short insight into your company. And please keep us posted. And it looks really, really promising, I would say.
Excellent. Thanks for your interest.
Thank you. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it was Tony Barresi, the president of Triumph Gold. And you heard it, 19.9% are actually held by Newmont. They bought in for $6.3 million several years ago. And I think the guys did a great job here in the Yukon. Great infrastructure. They have everything in place here. And almost 2 million ounces gold equivalent, meaning existing out of gold, silver, and copper. That's exactly what the world needs. So I would suggest you check out the company. Thanks for watching us, and that was the end of the PDAC. Bye-bye.